Hello, Team Easy Dating. I'm so pumped up to be here. Today's topic, how to make your relationship better. And I've got a story for you. So for those that don't know, I just took my fiance Kelly on this amazing trip for her birthday to London and Paris, 8-day trip. And so we were having a phenomenal time. It was great. And we were doing something that's a little out of the comfort zone for me, is every single day we were tracking our steps, and I was doing 20,000 steps every single day. And normally at home I do maybe like 8,000, 10. So 20,000, we were really active, really getting after it and seeing London and Paris. So anyway, I was doing 20,000 steps. We were doing bike tours in both cities, and it really became a lot, and it was tiring. And we were eating well and drinking every day. So it was a big adventure. So anyway, towards the tail end of the trip, I'm also an introvert. We went on a 20,000 step day. We saw everything, and I also probably had somewhere between 4 and 6 drinks throughout the day. And so I'm finally dragging at the end of the day. We finished dinner, and we've got like a mile walk home to the hotel. And I'm just like, my light switch just went out, and just totally out of energy. And so much so that I'm like struggling to walk. I think I was dehydrated. Anyway, I'm like really laboring to get home. sad to admit. Anyway, like at parts of it, I even had my arm around her and she was kind of helping me. But then I finally got my act together and I'm walking home. And so I finally get to the hotel. And she goes, you know, I really wanted to get chocolate ganache this trip. And, you know, I told her, you know, Kelly, like, I'm really tired. I'm just going to go lay down. You know, I've got nothing left. And this hurt me to say, because I know that my fiancée Kelly, her love language is quality time. So it really pained me. I felt like I was really letting her down. And like she was asking for something so small. I just need to walk with her to go get this dessert. So like I should be able to do this. Like I am a good fiance. Like I can deliver. But at that moment, I needed to take care of myself. And it really weighed on me also thinking like, what's going on in her head? Like, am I letting her down? Also, if she does go get this and I go lay down, when she comes back, is she going to kind of resent me that I couldn't deliver this small thing? But Kelly did something so freaking amazing. Instead, what happened is I went and laid down because I was tired. She went and got the chocolate ganache, and she comes back and she's like, Mike, like, check out this picture of the chocolate ganache. It was the best I've ever had, and I had so much fun. Like, I made friends with these Australian guys, and look how big this was. It was actually meant for like 5 people, but I'd ordered it for myself anyway. I tried to bring you some back, but I couldn't. So instead of her coming back and resenting me for not going, she kind of like really made me feel good that, you know, in my head, it was like I was able to get us on this trip and allow her to be able to go get the ganache. So it made me feel like I was part of it and like I delivered and I was a good fiance, instead of coming back and being like, oh, I can't believe you made me walk there by myself and it was terrible. So she really elevated the level of our relationship by choosing to give me something. She gave me appreciation. She chose to be thankful that she was here and happy, and thankful that I did spend the, you know, 7 other days before that really, you know, accommodating her and looking out for her and making sure she got what she needed. So basically, well, the takeaway from this story is that we all just need to be givers. My good friend Ariel Ford always talks about you need to give 5 times in a day as a couple. And it's not about getting, it's about giving. How can I give to my partner? How can I appreciate them? How can I show them I care? Whether it's a text message, whether it's a phone call, whether it's going to get chocolate ganache, or maybe it's going and allowing that person to have some downtime and going to get your chocolate ganache yourself, and then saying like, thank you, like this was amazing. So those are the takeaway, guys, is do 5 giving moments and, you know, then work up. Maybe 5 turns into 10, then 15. Right now, I try to go between 5 and 10, really 5. And you know, I'm not perfect. Some days I do 0 when I'm feeling low, and other days I do 10 when I'm feeling high. But if we can do 5 a day where we give 5 things to our partner, that's really going to elevate the relationship. And instead of harping on the negative things, let's try to be positive and give and not worry about what we're getting, but give. Now, of course, you know, full disclosure and devil's advocate, if you're just doing all the giving and you're not dating a giver, you know, that's another thing. But we're looking for givers, people that want to give. And if you're not, you know, you can express that you want to be given to and say, like, you'd make me feel so special if you did X. So we communicate our needs. Just like, you know, when Kelly needs things, she tells me. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, guys. I love all of you. If you want some free content, get down there. I've got tons of good stuff for you. That's on my website. And I love all of you, and we will see you next video. Feel free to hit like and subscribe and share this thing. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys.